Na-develop ba ang bilbil nyo sa dami ng nakain nyo sa nakalipas na holiday season? Para umpisa ng bagong taon, hatid namin sa inyo ang isang low-calorie meal. Pero hindi ito kinakain kundi iniinom lang. Yes mga ka-homepage, ang low-calorie meal na yan ay isang healthy drink hatid sa atin ng raw food chef na si Mona Lisa Newbeck.
The foods that I prepare are all uncooked, are all not exposed to a temperature higher than 118 degrees Fahrenheit, which is pretty much the crucial temperature at which the enzymes are destroyed. So enzymes are really important for our health, and enzymes are basically the precursor for a long and vital life.
Ang healthy drink na ito ay pinangalan ng Bilbil Buster. Para sa ingredients, 2 cups chopped pineapple, 1 cup chopped cucumber, 1 tablespoon minced ginger, 1 cup pomelo, 1 cup chilled green tea, 1/8 cup chopped celery stalks, 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar, 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon, 2 tablespoon VCO or virgin coconut oil, sea salt and stevia powder to taste, 1 tablespoon soy lecithin. Pagsama-samahin lamang lahat ng ingredients and then i-blend until smooth. Kapag blended na lahat, pwede nang i-serve.